Pumps are necessary industrial equipment to carry out mechanical work for fluid movement. They are widely used in irrigation, flood control, water supply, sewage treatment, power generation, chemical processing, and more. Wenzhou Defu Machinery Co. Limited was founded in 2012, dedicated to pump research and development, manufacturing, and sales, with our main product line including centrifugal pumps, air-operated diaphragm pumps, mixed flow pumps, rotary lobe pumps, and other pump types. Defu acquired Shanghai Y&L Pump Factory, SELE Pump, in the past few years and founded Fuding Cornell E-Pump Manufacture in 2019, further enhancing our manufacturing capability. Our production base spans nearly 5,000 square meters, and we are equipped with several digitally controlled pieces of equipment, such as a 63-ton horizontal CNC machine center for one-stop pump body manufacturing, including lathe, boring, drilling, milling, and other processes. Our company has a maximum monthly output of 1,500 high-quality pumps due to several CNC machines and 3 coordinate measuring machines. Defu has established a finished pump overall performance inspection center where all parameters are examined precisely, including the maximum flow rate, maximum lift, shaft power, NPSH, net positive suction head, bearing temperature rise, noise vibration, and more to ensure each pump has the highest possible quality. Our products have been successfully exported to the United States of America, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia, South Africa, Kenya, and other countries, earning significant praise from our clients. Our mission is to provide you the highest product quality and best sales and service, and we would sincerely like to thank you.
Hello everyone, this is our double suction centrifugal pump with a large flow rate. It is equipped with a 1,200 kilowatt Cummins diesel engine and is mainly used for firefighting, flood control, water supply, mine drainage, etc. This double suction centrifugal pump is mounted using an elastic coupling for a better performance and longer service life, thanks to the reduced machine vibration. It is also equipped with a small barrel drum pump to make oil replacement easier. The entire pump unit is controlled using an intelligent control cabinet, allowing it to achieve automatic protection and remote control, and will automatically alert and stop in the event of a malfunction.
This self-priming sewage pump features 8 meters pump suction lift and 3-inch solids handling. This gives the pump a wider waste handling applications, including mining operations, food processing plants, and power plants. The sewage pump is equipped with a check valve featuring outlet fan installed in the up position.
Featuring with high efficiency and low costs, the N-suction centrifugal pump is widely used for firefighting, irrigation, water supply, and more. This N-suction pump comes with a back pull-out structure to ensure easy access to internals for daily maintenance and repair.